Pianos are intricate machines. Think about it, their many precise, moving parts work together to form the instrument we all know and love. It's been nearly 2 decades since prototype digital pianos hit the market, and that means we're working with mature technology. Regardless of your budget, there's probably a good keyboard that suits your needs. In this video we are trying to review top 6 best digital piano in current market. After spending few weeks we make this list for you. Number 1. Yamaha P125 88 key. A fully weighted digital piano with 88 full-sized piano-style keys. GHS weighted action is heavier in the low keys and lighter in the high keys, just like an acoustic piano. The pure CF sound engine faithfully reproduces the tone of the acclaimed Yamaha 9 feet Fias Concert Grand Piano. Split mode lets you play a different voice with each hand. USB to host connectivity with MIDI and audio transfer means you only need one cable to connect to your music making software. Number 2. Donner DP20. The digital electric piano is constructed by 88 full-sized hammer action keys with adjustable touch response. This 88-key weighted keyboard allows to adjust your desired playing style. The 88-key weighted keyboard loaded with 238 types of tone like ukulele, drum, bass, etc. Vividly presenting voices of different instruments, arousing your keen to learn music. The digital electric piano with 128-note max polyphony, players could distinguish tone clearly in chorus and reverb under various occasions. This 88-key weighted keyboard provides dual-tone mode for combining two voices together, like piano and drum, inspiring to make a new creation. Panel includes sustain pedal, triangle pedal and audio inputs and outputs, perfectly used for music arrangement and an ensemble. Elude sustain pedal, triangle pedal and audio inputs and outputs, perfectly used for music arrangement and an ensemble. Number 3. Donner DDP 100. Donner 88-key fully weighted action digital piano, precisely matching the finger strength changes, restore the true piano's finger strength, more stable and feel better. Test and adjust the details of timbre repeatedly, making the sound more realistic and excellent, help you develop a keen ability to distinguish sound. Input and play MP3, built-in amplifier, support external sound or headphone to meet the needs of different occasions. Streamlined design, wooden cabinet with sliding key cover to protect the key. 128 polyphony, have one pure tone sampled from real acoustic grand pianos. Guarantee the quality of your practice and performance. Number 4. Alesis Recital 88 key. An electric piano that's tailored to you, feature-packed electric keyboard with 88 premium full-sized semi-weighted keys with adjustable touch response to suit your preferred playing style. Premium sounds, 5 voices, acoustic piano, electric piano, organ, synth and bass, built-in FX, chorus, reverb and 2 built-in 20W speakers that deliver crystal clear, room-filling sound. Standard, split, layer, and lesson modes with 128-note max polyphony and SCOV 3-month premium subscription for expert interactive online piano lessons. 60 free virtual lessons from melodics to hone your skills for any genre or technique you want to master. Number 5. Alesis Recital Pro 88 key. Start playing professional keys today, the ultimate beginner's digital piano loaded with 12 expertly crafted voices and powerful educational features. Universal responsive feel, 88 premium full-sized hammer action keys with adjustable touch response to suit your preferred playing style. Powerful educational features, standard, split, layer, record and lesson modes with 128-note max polyphony and built-in FX, chorus, reverb, modulation. Includes SCOV 3-month premium subscription for expert interactive online piano lessons. Number 6. Roland Go Piano 88. When you're learning to play the piano, having 88 keys makes a big difference. Although smaller 61 or 76-note keyboards are portable and easy to handle for younger players, an 88-note full-size keyboard helps you develop the correct technique and become a more expressive player. Most keyboards make you choose between performance and portability, but Roland's Go Piano 88 delivers equally on both fronts. Lightweight and road-ready, with optional battery power and headphones, This mobile instrument has a full-size 88-note keyboard and sounds derived from Roland's best digital pianos, so you can play with the correct technique and expression, vital for classical music or more complex pieces. Hope you liked this video and found some important information what you want.